Hello, everyone. Welcome to Rapid Maths Trick. In this video, we are going to learn percentage part 3. In this video, we are going to solve problem on topics. First, formula method. Second, based on salary. Third, based on votes or election. Fourth, based on marks. Let us try to solve few problems on topic 1, which is formula method. This topic, we are going to use two important formula. Formula 1, x is what percentage of y is equal to x upon y multiplied by 100. Formula 2, x is what percentage more or less than y is equal to x minus y upon y multiplied by 100. If you find only the word what percentage, then you have to apply the formula 1. If you find the word what percentage is more or less, then you have to use formula 2. In formula 1, if you find any letter near to the word of, then you should write that letter in the denominator. Similarly, in formula 2, if you find any letter closer to the word than, it should be written in denominator. Problem 1. If x is 10% more than y, then by what percent is y less than x? Let's start. Step 1. Let us assume the value of y is equal to 100. Next, in a question, we have given that x is 10% more than y. So 10% of 100 is equal to 110. And the value of x is equal to 110. Step 2. Now we are going to apply formula 2, because we need to find what percent of y is less than x. Before applying the formula 2, we will see the letter which is closer to than. So the letter x is closer to than. We will write x in a denominator. So we get y minus x upon x multiply 100 as the formula. Step 3. Next we will put the values of x and y in the given formula, and we get minus 100 by 11 as the answer. The minus sign indicates that it is 100 by 11 times less than x. So we can write it in form of mixed fraction, and we get 91 by 11 as the answer. Problem 2. B got 20% marks less than A. What percent marks did A got more than B? Let's start. Step 1. Let us assume the value of A is equal to 100. Then, according to the question, B got 20% less marks than A, which means we will subtract 20 from 100. We get 80. So the value of B is equal to 80. Step 2. Now we have to find what percent marks did A got more than B. So we are going to apply formula 2. Then we will see which letter is closer to than. So letter B is closer to than. So we write B in denominator, and we get a minus b upon b multiplied by 100. Step 3. Now we are going to put the values of A and B in the formula, and we get 25% as the final answer. Problem 1. Kishan spends 30% of his salary on food and donates 3% in a charitable trust. He spends Rs 2,310 on these two items, then total salary for that month is. Let's start. Step 1. Let us assume the salary of Kishan be 100%. Step 2. Now according to the question, Kishan spends 30% of his salary on food and donates 3% in a trust. So we can say that he is spending 33% of his salary, which is equal to Rupee 2310. Step 3. Now we have to calculate the monthly salary of Kishan. And in step 1, we have assumed the salary of Kishan is 100%. So we write 100% equal to X. Step 4. Next we cross multiply the values obtained in step 2 and step 3. And we get 33% of X equal to 2310 of 100%. Now, after further solving the equation, we get X equal to 7000. So, the salary of Kishan for that month is equal to Rs 7000. Now, let's try to solve problem on topic 3, which is votes or election. Problem 1. Two-person contested an election of parliament. The winning candidate secured 57% of the total votes polled and won by a majority of 42,000. The total number of votes polled is. Let's start. Step 1. Let us assume total number of votes equal to 100%, out of which winner got 57% of votes. So we can easily find loser percent by subtracting 57 from 100, and we get 43%. Step 2. Now, we will calculate the word majority by subtracting winner percent by loser percent, which is equal to 14%. Hence, this 14% is the majority, whose value is given in the question, which is equal to 42,000. Step 3. Next our target is to find the total number of votes polled. And in step 1, we have assumed total number of votes equal to 100%. So we write 100% equal to X. Step 4. Now we will cross multiply the values of step 2 and step 3. So we get 14% of X equal to 42,000 of 100%. Now, after further solving the above equation, we get 3 lakh as the final answer. Now, let's try to solve problem on topic 4, which is based on marks. Problem 1. In an examination, a candidate must secure 40% marks to pass. A candidate who get 220 marks fails by 20 marks. What are the maximum marks for the examination? Let's start. Step 1. Let us assume the maximum marks for examination is 100%, out of which passing marks are 40%. Step 2. Now according to question, a candidate get 220 marks and fail by 20 marks. That means, if we add 20 marks with 220, we get 240, which are the minimum passing marks. So we can write 40% equal to 240. Step 3. Next our target is to find the maximum marks for examination. And in step 1, we have assumed the maximum marks equal to 100%. So we write 100% equal to X. Step 4. Now we cross multiply the values of step 2 and step 3. So we get 40% of x is equal to 240 of 100%. Now, after further solving the equation, we get maximum marks equal to 600. For any queries, please comment below, and we would reply to your queries. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe to Rapid Maths Tricks for more knowledgeable videos. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. In this video, we completed percentage part 3, and in next video we will cover multiplication tricks.